Hey there, Nutrition Club members, your culinary nutritionist Michelle here. Today we're going to be preparing a kale salad that is plant protein packed with some cannellini beans and sunflower seeds. And I'm also going to teach you a simple trick for getting the bitterness out of those kale leaves. Let's get cooking. So the first thing we're going to do to get our kale salad started here is make our dressing. So I have a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil in here, and to this I'm going to add the juice of 1 lemon and a tablespoon each of maple syrup and Dijon mustard. And I'm just going to whisk that together. The Dijon mustard will help act as an emulsifier to hold the dressing together. And now that this is all whisked together, we're just going to set it aside and save it for dressing our salad later. Next up, I'm going to show you that little trick I mentioned about taking the bitterness out of the kale leaves. And we're going to do that simply by tossing them with about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and a little sprinkle of kosher salt. And this will not only season the leaves, but also give them a little massage. So we're just gonna work this through for a bit. Massaging them with the oil and the salt will pull some of the bitterness out of the raw kale leaves. And the final step in this simple recipe is to dress our salad. So we're going to take our dressing, pour it over those kale leaves, and add our other components. A 15-ounce can of cannellini beans, white beans. You could also use chickpeas or garbanzo beans, any bean of your choice. These ones are nice and creamy. And I've got 4 radishes sliced very thinly. 1 carrot that I peeled and grated up. Look at all those great colors. And for some crunch, we've got 1/3 cup of sunflower seeds. And I'm going to season that with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. And then with clean hands, toss it all together. And there we have our kale salad with radishes, carrots, white beans, sunflower seeds, and a tangy lemony dressing.